In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto reply in Yahoo Mail. If you're going to be away from your inbox for a while, setting up an auto reply, also called a vacation response, is a simple way to let people know you may not answer right away. This can be especially helpful if you're traveling, taking time off, or just want to manage expectations for anyone who emails you. To get started, open your Yahoo Mail account. Once you're inside your inbox, take a look at the left-hand panel. In that area, find the More Options icon and click it. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the main settings area for your Yahoo Mail account, where you can manage different mail preferences and features. Inside Settings, look again to the left panel and click Vacation Response. This is the section where Yahoo lets you create an automatic reply for incoming emails. Once you open it, you'll see a toggle next to Turn on Vacation Response. Go ahead and switch that toggle on. As soon as you do, additional fields will appear on the screen. These fields are where you'll customize how your auto reply works. Now, set the start date and end date for your vacation response. This tells Yahoo exactly when the automatic replies should begin and when they should stop. Choosing the correct date range is important, so your response only goes out during the time you actually need it. Next, type the message you want people to receive. Keep your message clear and professional, especially if you use Yahoo Mail for work or important communication. A short note explaining that you're away and may respond later usually works well. Yahoo also gives you some formatting tools here, so you can personalize your message a little more if you want. You can insert emojis, and you can format your text using bold, italic, and underline. If you click the More Options icon in the editor, you'll find even more text formatting choices. These can be useful if you want your message to look cleaner or emphasize key details. Once your dates and message are set, your vacation response is ready to go. Yahoo Mail will automatically send your reply during the time period you selected. And that's it. You've successfully set up auto reply in Yahoo Mail.